10 health benefits of red tea and how it shrinks fat cells. There is a way to physically shrink your fat cells. Countless products and diet plans have promised as much, and more. There is a method that has worked wonders for hundreds of people worldwide pursuing fat reduction. Tea has many benefits for the body, stress and energy levels, and even aids in the prevention of serious diseases. White, black and green tea have been tested, talked about, and consumed for years. Each with unique but valuable contributions to the body. More recently, red tea has been recognized as their equal, if not superior. And here's why red tea shrinks fat cells. Rooibos is a red bush from South Africa. The leaves are used once fermented in the tea's production, and they offer a range of benefits. The recipe, as featured in the Red Tea Detox, combines Rooibos with a specific blend, working to melt fat. Research has shown that components found in the Rooibos plant, such as polyphenols and flavonoids, inhibit the formation of new fat cells by 22%. The tea significantly lowers dangerous fat found in the blood, such as triglyceride concentrations. Other blends such as green tea, although rich in antioxidants, do not have the same impact on fat cells or weight loss. Red tea is an exciting necessity, and one that has the potential to seamlessly entwine itself with your lifestyle. Sipping the brew burns fat from stubborn problem areas around the body, without an extreme diet or exercise plan. This is a chance to enhance your health as well as your weight loss efforts. And did I mention that it's delicious? Finally, we have access to a health product promising fat reduction, that bases itself on facts, rather than myths and false hope. It has never been simpler to cut fat cell growth than it is now, with the Red Tea Detox. Watch for inevitable results as they occur. Green tea has long been acknowledged for its health and wellness benefits, including weight loss assistance. The evidence is irrefutable. It is true that green tea contains powerful antioxidants. These components contribute to minimizing health risks such as cancer and cardiovascular disease. Green tea, although beneficial, is gradually losing value in the light of its delicious rival, Rooibos. Rooibos, also known as red tea, is equally high in antioxidants, but is sourced from different substances to that of green tea. The antioxidants contained in Rooibos, asparagine and nothofagan, are comparatively rare. It helps to regulate blood sugar, reduce excessive fat production, lessen stress, and inhibit metabolic disorders. After the results of recent studies, alongside with findings related to the major players in sustainable weight loss, red tea is an essential. In addition to preventing heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's and more, it is an accessible and effective answer to weight gain. The primary goal in the production of Red Tea Detox is to harness the incredible benefits of Rooibos, whilst combining the ingredient with a number of other, equally valuable elements. Rooibos means red bush. The plant is readily available, with leaves that turn red upon fermentation. With so much potential to assist with our health and wellness journey, it is considered wrong to ignore the strength of the plant. Unlike green tea, red tea does not contain caffeine, and therefore drinking the blend at night won't leave you restless. Another factor of its ultimate superiority is simply taste. The bitterness of green tea is often attributed to its high tannin content, which is less prevalent in red tea. Many health products do not aim to bridge the gap between adults and young children, but the pursuit of health is of equal importance for both demographics. Which is why recipe was designed to cater to all ages and tastes, with the inclusion of a sweetened version of the recipe. This particular Red Tea Detox program is fresh and matchless, already actively transforming lives since its launch. Here are top 10 health benefits of Rooibos tea. 1. Improves heart health. Rooibos tea is filled with antioxidants which fight chronic disease and inflammation. One such antioxidant found in Rooibos is called glycerol, and it has been shown to reduce blood pressure, improve circulation, and lower bad cholesterol levels. The inflammation-reducing compounds, such as asparagine and nothofagan, in Rooibos prevent the hardening of arteries and buildup of plaque, atherosclerosis, that can be very damaging to cardiovascular health. In severe cases, atherosclerosis can lead to coronary artery disease, peripheral artery disease, stroke, or heart attack. 2. Strengthens bones. Rooibos tea contains minerals that are crucial at maintaining bone structure and strength, including calcium, manganese, fluoride, copper, and zinc. Like many other teas, Rooibos has been shown to increase the activity of osteoblasts, cells that create bone mass. This means that it can help to fight bone conditions like osteoporosis. 3. Controls and prevents diabetes. Studies have found therapeutic effects of a specific antioxidant found in Rooibos tea called aspalathin. This compound is anti-diabetic because it helps to control blood sugar levels and improve insulin resistance. That means that it can help to prevent and control type 2 diabetes. Just don't add sugar to the tea. 4. Improves digestion. Whether you suffer from IBS, diarrhea, or constipation, Rooibos tea may be the fix. Digestive problems are more prevalent today than ever before due to the Western diet, which is full of processed foods, chemicals, and many toxic ingredients. These foods wreak havoc on the digestive system, causing a whole host of symptoms you may not realize are due to your diet. Rooibos tea is an all-natural beverage filled with nutrients and antioxidants that seek out those toxins to destroy them. The compounds in Rooibos act as antispasmodics, treating cramps, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. 5. Fights cancer. Antioxidants found in Rooibos have some very important work to do in the body, that is, seek out free radicals and destroy them. Free radicals are toxins that are released in our bodies due to exposure to pollution, harmful light, unhealthy foods, and other things. These free radicals interact with molecules in the body, leading to a process called oxidation, and causing oxidative damage, the prerequisite to chronic disease and cancer. Free radicals directly affect cells in the body, causing mutations and changes in healthy cell DNA. Our best defense against these rascals are antioxidants. Since Rooibos tea is chock full of powerful antioxidants, it can help defend our bodies against cancer. 6. Prevents kidney stones. People with kidney stones avoids tea, chocolate, and certain fruits and vegetables. The reason for this is due to the presence of oxalic acid, a naturally occurring component which can combine with minerals, and cause them to crystallize, leading to kidney stones, bladder stones, and other issues. Rooibos tea does not contain oxalic acid, so you won't need to worry about avoiding this tea to prevent kidney stones. 7. Promotes better sleep. It's caffeine-free and may help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep throughout the night. Children in South Africa are often given this tea to drink in the evening to promote sleep quality. If you have insomnia, you may want to consider adding a cup of Rooibos tea to your bedtime routine to improve sleep quality. 8. Aids in weight loss. Rooibos is full of polyphenol antioxidants and aid in fat burning. Rooibos aids in weight loss for the same reasons green tea does, only it doesn't contain caffeine. It's a good choice if you're avoiding caffeine, or if you're reaching for your second or third cup of tea of the day. One reason Rooibos may be effective in promoting weight loss is that it increases the secretion of leptin, the satiety hormone, which signals to your body that it is full and satisfied. This will reduce your cravings and get your metabolism running. 9. Improves skin health. Some of the naturally occurring compounds in Rooibos tea are excellent for skin health. Alpha-hydroxy acid and zinc in red tea treat skin conditions like acne, sunburn, and other problems. Alpha-hydroxy acid helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and other signs of aging like fine lines and age spots. You can apply the tea directly to your skin to benefit from these nutrients. 10. Treats allergies. South Africans are already aware of the amazing allergy-alleviating effects of Rooibos tea. The tea contains quercetin, an antioxidant which blocks mast cells. Immune cells which trigger allergic reactions. Red tea may be effective in treating all types of allergic reactions including skin reactions, asthma, hay fever, and allergy-related bronchitis. So, can a cup of tea a day keep the doctor away? Get some Rooibos tea and find out for yourself. Subscribe, like, and be sure to leave a comment, I'd love to hear from you.